Hey guys, it's Dawn with the Lawton team, and we're back with Mike Messer of NFM Lending. And we're going to talk to you a little bit about rate buydowns. So earlier in one of our videos, we talked about seller concessions and what that means now that we're in a buyer's market. So there are some buydowns out there, and those words is floating around. We want to provide a little bit of clarification. So Mike, what do you have to say about buydowns?
Yeah, thank you. So buydowns you can look at it in one of two ways. It's just a simple rate buydown. That's certainly one option, but something that's come back to the marketplace are the multiple year buydowns.
Okay.
And they're most commonly heard of as a 2-1 buydown, a 3-2-1 buydown, etc. And in the simplest of terms, what that means is, we'll use the 2-1 buydown as the example. Let's say your final mortgage interest rate is 6.5% as an example. For that first year on that 2-1 buydown, it's actually only going to be 5.5%. So you enjoy the 1% lesser interest rate for the first 12 months of your mortgage, and then it adjusts up to that final interest rate.
Okay.
Which gives people an opportunity, especially in this market when we're in a higher rate environment, it gives you an opportunity to, again, kind of cut back on the monthly bills a little bit with that 1% less, and then give you 12 months to then later think about refinancing if the market improves. So it's a great tool. The important thing to know, and you tagged on this, about seller concessions. The thing with the buydown is the buyer cannot finance it. It has to be paid by either the seller or the builder. That's the one caveat. But a great program that's out there, again, to lessen the effects of a higher mortgage payment in a higher interest rate environment, at least for that first 2 or 1 years, depending on whether you're doing 3-2-1 or a 2-1 buydown.
Okay, that was a lot of great information. And if you guys need any more information about 2-1s, 3-2-1s, anything about rate buydowns, please don't hesitate to reach out to Mike Messer or myself, and we'll make sure we get your questions answered for you. So that's it for now. Mike, do you have anything else to add to this?
No, I don't think so, but as always, our information will be at the end of this video. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions about anything of the process. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.